feel sick, babe?
I do. Gear and all. I mean, seriously, he's got 950 bucks and a bike in full gear.
But yeah, it like fits me great.
Let me see. Put your hands on the handlebars. I want to see. I gotta turn this way.
Yeah.
Damn, you look big on it though. You're just a big boy, son. God.
Well, like all the blinkers work. I don't think it's gonna emergency light.
Bikes don't have emergency lights. He said the horn didn't work.
Yeah, that's what I'm just looking at.
Yeah.
I don't know how the horn would work anyway.
You press the button and he goes, oh.
They don't have buttons.
Yeah,
If it does, it's broken.
Logan's.
Yeah, that's what he was saying. The button's stuck.
But it's got
That's the horn,
blinkers.
So, not both of these light up? Just the one?
Well,
Yeah.
yeah. But it's got brights, low.
All you need is speedometer anyway.
You can change this to match your
Yeah,
your
and
helmet
He's
too.
already talking about.
yeah, and what I was gonna do is buy a new visor for my helmet, so that way it's mirrored instead of the.
I thought
colorful
yours
rainbow.
was mirrored.
It is, but it's a rainbow mirrored.
It's green. It looks green.
It's rainbow depending on how you look at it.
Oh.
But
Well, mine's rainbowed. I have a clear one.
No, I don't want a clear one. But I was gonna replace this to match the helmet and get directly mirrored one.
Babe, what do you
What?
think?
I think I feel sick. I should have bought it.
I
Oh well.
know. Yours next.
Title. Bill sells my name.
Today's one for this guy.
Wait.
Steve's smelling gases. Those carburetors aren't in tune. Yeah, it's
Well, you can
too much
smell it.
gas. It's getting too much gas.
Yeah, you can smell if it's running red.
Yeah.
Well, we will definitely look at it.
Well, that's what I told him. That as long as it runs, that's the biggest thing. Is it runs?
Lucidity.
They have little
All right, son. Come on, look at me and tell me how excited are you?
Pretty excited.
Do you feel like a badass?
Yeah.
I would too.
I love the helmet more than anything though.
Oh my god, how cool. So my son plays a guitar and he's gonna ride a motorcycle. Every boy wants to be that kid. Yep. Well, at least they laid it down first, so we won't notice the scratches after you lay it down the first time.
First time. It'll be 20 times.
Let's hope none. None times. Ugh. Locking gas cap too?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yeah, but gas cap's kind of locked. It's stuck.
How much money do you have invested in this?
Less than $1,000. Gear and all.
I know, we don't even have all the gear on the video. Ugh.
You can
So
go
lucky.
over there and look at the door.
Lucky dog. Lucky dog. God, your parents are
Yeah,
amazing.
that's stuck. They're not open.
You're so lucky you got the coolest parents in the world. You know that? What dad
Get it open.
helps their son like this? That dad. He's the coolest dad ever.
I think it's because it's bent right here.
So sweet.